The world's rainforests play a vital role in the planetary ecosystem. They are responsible for recycling 28% of the world's oxygen, and they release huge amounts of water vapour into the Earth's atmosphere. Between 40 and 75% of the world's species live in rainforests. This figure is imprecise because biologists believe that rainforests contain millions of, as yet, undiscovered plant and animal species. Biodiversity is important for ecological stability. Each species occupies a unique niche that contributes in some way to the overall welfare of the entire community of plants and animals. But there are some human communities that live in harmony with the forest as well. But with growing populations, pressures on rainforests are growing. Forests are being cleared to plant rice or other cash crops, or even for grazing. But although the areas have supported a huge amount of life, the cleared land only supports monocultures for a few seasons. Without the continued renewal from forest decay, the soils quickly become depleted. Erosion sets in, and people clear more forest to continue marginal agricultural practices. Other forests are being logged for their old-growth timber. Some West African countries have lost 90% of their forest cover, with little lasting economic benefit to show for it. Rainforests are vast stores of carbon, and unsustainable logging releases this carbon back into the atmosphere. The loss of habitat means increased species extinction. Countries such as Brazil have declared the loss of rainforest a national emergency.